Hello everyone, in today's Canva tutorial we're going to be taking a look at how we can outline text to enhance our design. So here we have some text on our screen and the font that I'm using is Horizon. First thing we need to do is head over to Effects, and here we can see we've got multiple options. The first way we can give our text an outline is to click on the outline option, and here we can see it's now put a grey outline around all our text. We can alter the thickness of this outline by simply sliding the marker across the bar and making it as thick or as thin as you desire. And also down here we can click on the colour swatch and that will enable us to change the colour of the outline as well. The second way we can create outlined text is to click on Hollow. This is slightly different because that's now made our text just an outline. So there we can see now the inside of the text is the same colour as the background, and basically it has just given us an outline and made the text hollow. Again, we can alter the thickness of this by sliding the marker across the bar, making our outline as thick or as thin as required. And to change the colour we can come up to the top and select text colour, and again that will allow us to change the colour of the outline of our text. And those are two really simple ways in which we can add outline effects to text. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.